Here we have the Kingman hole punch and grommet punch. Comes with the tool itself. 100 each of silver and gold grommets, some extra punch caps, a ruler, and a file. As a retention clip, we've got 5 punches from 4.5 millimeters down to 3 millimeters. The diameter of the hole is lined up here for the punching. When selecting a new punch, we have a locking arm here that locks into a notch on the wheel, giving a very strong positive lock on each position. 6th position is for grommets. Line up our piece, strong squeeze, and a clean hole. Smallest punch wasn't quite as clean, but we have a file. File seems to make these holes worse. Place the grommet ringside on your finish side. You'll want to remove the pad from the press plate. Align the flange side of your grommet with the center post in the middle of the grommet tool. Then give a strong squeeze. Got good spread on the flange and a nice flat surface on the finish side. And that's it for this review.